Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll continue talking about the passive voice. Don't forget to watch my two previous videos on the same topic. In this video, we'll focus on the passive voice for the simple past tense. Are you ready to learn? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Without any further ado, let's get started. Look at the picture. This morning, Sophia and her family had breakfast together. She ate an egg. Father drank a cup of coffee. Mother served a glass of juice to everyone. Now, pay attention to the sentences here. They are all in the simple past tense. We use the simple past tense to tell about something that happened in the past. Look at the first sentence. She ate an egg. To change a sentence into its passive voice, we have to make sure that the sentence has a receiver. So, we have to identify the sentence structure. Now, let's identify the sentence together. The first word of the sentence is she. What can it be? She here is the doer of the action, which takes the position as the subject of the sentence. Ate is the verb. It is the action which is taken by the doer. While an egg here is the receiver of the action, as well as the object of the sentence. To change the sentence into its passive voice, we have to write down the receiver at the beginning of the sentence. Here we go, we write it down here. Then add the simple past form of the verb to be. Since an egg is a singular noun, we have to use was. After that, use the past participle form of the verb. The past participle of ate is eaten. Finally, you can write the by phrase, which is optional. The next sentence, Father drank a cup of coffee. Father is the doer, as well as the subject of the sentence. The verb is drank. It is the action which is taken by the doer. A cup of coffee is the receiver of the action as well as the object of the sentence. Now, let's write down the receiver at the beginning of the sentence, over here. After that, write down the to be was or were. Since a cup of coffee is a singular noun, we use was. After that, write down the past participle of the verb drank. It is drunk, which is then followed by the by phrase, by father. The next sentence is, Mother served a glass of juice to everyone. Mother is the doer and takes the position as the subject of the sentence. The action or the verb is served. There are two objects in this sentence. The first one is a glass of juice and the second one is everyone. A glass of juice is called direct object, while everyone is indirect object. To change this sentence into its passive voice, you can choose any objects you want. Let's try the first one, a glass of juice. So, write down a glass of juice. Then, write down the suitable to be, was. We use was because a glass is a singular noun. Next, the past participle of the verb served is served, the same. Next, write down to everyone, which is followed by the by phrase, by mother. So the sentence becomes, a glass of juice was served to everyone by mother. Now let's try the other way around. Let's use the indirect object. When we write the indirect object at the beginning of the sentence, we have to omit the preposition to. So we just write down everyone. After that, write down the suitable to be for everyone, that is, was. After that, write down the past participle form of the verb serve, which is served. Next, before we write down a class of use, we have to use preposition with because the word serve collocates with. Finally, write down the by phrase, by mother. So the sentence becomes, everyone was served with a glass of juice by mother. Now, do this exercise and write down your answers in the comment section. Well, that's the end of our lesson today. And see you again next time, inshallah. Wassalamualaikum.